Your child's car seat could be the difference between a close call and a tragedy. It's not just about buckling up, it's about buckling up right. Let's talk about how to keep our youngest passengers safe on every journey. And stay tuned for our bonus tip on child safety on group transport services. Tip 1. Choose the right car seat for your child's age and size. Rear-facing seats are best for infants and toddlers. Use them until at least age 2, or until they outgrow the seat's weight or height limit. Forward-facing seats with a harness come next, usually from age 2 to 7. Booster seats are for older kids who've outgrown their harnessed seat, generally until they're 12 or tall enough for a seatbelt alone. Always check the manufacturer's guidance for weight and height limits. Tip 2. Install the car seat correctly. A correctly installed car seat shouldn't move more than an inch in any direction. Use either the ISOFIX anchors or a seat belt, not both unless the seat manufacturer specifically recommends it. The harness straps should lie flat and be snug. You shouldn't be able to pinch any slack at the shoulder. For rear-facing seats, make sure the recline angle is correct to support the child's head and neck. Tip 3. Don't rush out of the booster seat. Many parents move kids to adult seat belts too soon. The child should use a booster seat until they're at least 135 centimeters tall, that's UK law, or when they can sit all the way back with knees bent at the edge of the seat and the lap belt lies across the hips, not the stomach, and the shoulder belt crosses the chest, not the neck or the face. Tip 4. Keep children in the back seat. Children under 13 should ride in the back seat. It's the safest place in the car. Never place a rear-facing car seat in front of an active airbag. It can be deadly. Before we get to tip 5 and our bonus tip, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to child car seats or booster seats? Please share your experiences or questions in the comments. We're here to help. Don't forget to subscribe now to be notified of the weekly videos designed to make us all safer on the roads. Tip 5. Set a good example. Buckle up yourself every time. Make it a rule that the car doesn't move until everyone is safely buckled in. Teach children from a young age that safety comes first every trip, every time. Okay, time for our bonus tip. If your organisation runs or books coach or bus services for children, such as school trips, camps or events, it's your responsibility to ensure safety standards are in place and enforced. Choose operators who prioritise safety. Make sure the coach company complies with national safety regulations and conducts regular vehicle inspections. Seatbelts must be fitted and used. Confirm that every seat has a functional seatbelt and that children are supervised and secured before departure. Brief supervisors and children. Provide clear instructions on safe boarding, exiting, and behaviour while the vehicle is in motion. Assign adults to check seatbelts are worn at all times. Driver vetting is essential. Ensure that any driver transporting children has the appropriate licence, background checks and training to handle group journeys responsibly. Safe travel starts before the wheels move, from the vehicle you choose to the way you prepare your passengers. Child passenger safety isn't just about following the law, it's about protecting the people who depend on you most. Make sure your children are buckled up properly and travel safely wherever the road takes you. Thanks for watching. Follow every week for more Drive Smart safety tips, and don't forget to subscribe.